there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you these great CRZ Yoga hiking pants. So these pants are made of polyester and elastane, so they're wrinkle resistant, super comfortable, and perfect for hiking. You have this great elastic waistband, and you have these zippered pockets that are just big enough to fit a phone in and zip it up, so you know it's going to be safe. You have those pockets on each side. And it's just a really well-made pant. It also is ankle length, and I have these in a small. So these work so well hiking. They dry super fast. I got them really wet on a hiking trip, and they were dry probably about 15 minutes later in the sun. They are so reliable, so comfortable, and they just wash and dry really well. I also like that they are lined, so they're not super thin, but you can definitely wear these on a warm day. So I highly recommend these hiking pants by CRZ Yoga. You could definitely use them for other things besides hiking. They're great jogging pants. They just dry really quick and they wash and wear really well. So super happy with them. I think you're gonna love them too, but that's just my point of view.